if you love makeup and you're not following Innovate the Label, you are missing out. So I just got in the mail their $50 bundle, and I got to pick everything in here. I will have them pinned right here in the caption so you can check them out. But let me show you what I got, and this is all for $50. That's it. So watch. Stay tuned. All right, so first we have the Alamar Colorette Concentrate Skincare Infused Liquid Blush. And what shade did I get? Acai, you later. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm in shock. Let's move on. I'll reach out to them. It's fine. Okay, so I've had to re-record this. Like, this will be my second time. So first we got the blush, as we know. Then, okay, we got the Queen Cosmetics lip gloss. I am so excited about this. This is in the shade Supernova. I have been eyeballing Queen Cosmetics for a hot minute. Look at that gloss. Oh my gosh. Everything will be pinned below, by the way, guys. Okay. Love it. Okay, and then we got these nails. Super cute. And then we got this palette. I already took it out of the box. This is the Christmas in Miami palette. I just thought it was so cute because I'm a Christmas girl. I know Halloween's right around the corner, but I am a Christmas girl. I'm already eyeballing my Christmas tree as we speak. So here are the shades. Super cute. Let's swatch a couple, shall we? Let's just do 3. Oh, they have a sequin shade. I love sequin shades. Look, it's like a matte with gold glitters. I love shades like that. Wow, so those are very pigmented. All right, we got a couple more things. Then we have the Feline Fine by Alamar Cosmetics with Hot Cheetos. We have got to swatch this, right? I got this because I love Alamar Cosmetics. They are so good. That is pretty gorgeous, actually. Wow. Okay. All right. And then we got one more. Okay. And then I believe this is the last thing. I'm pretty sure. I'm a little disoriented from this exploding. Okay. This is really full. So we're going to open it quick. You do need a glitter glue with this, but this is a foil. Look at that. It is full to the freaking brim. Like, they're like, you're getting your money's worth, buddy. All right. We love that. This is in the shade Erotic. Let me stop. But anyways, guys, that is my full unboxing. Sorry it was such a crazy adventure. I cannot believe I popped that blush. I cannot believe I did that. That has to be user error. That has to be my bad. Oh my god, I already sent them a message. So hopefully you hear back from them soon, but definitely check out their bundles, guys. These are amazing. There was so much more to choose from. They had a lot of different of the Queen Cosmetic shades. They had a lot of good Alamar stuff, Pinky Bee Beauty. Like, they have really good stuff. And see you in part 2.